Hello boys and girls, and welcome to Senpai Hobby. Yes, we have another review today, and today is going to be super short because, well, there's not much to it. Today we're going to be taking a look at all of the DSPIAE sanding sets. Yes, because I'm a whore that way. And I love these freaking containers. Like, what more can I say? Like I said, this is going to be super short. These you can pick up at New Type, Galactic, Hobby Pros, or Gundam Pros. All the hobby shops. You can pick them up. They are super cheap. They're actually about $9 each. And I actually recommend them. If anything else, the containers are super awesome. Once you use up the sanding papers that's in there, you can get more and use them for that. So without further ado, let's jump down and take a quick look at these and then close out this video. All right, so here we are. These are 4 separate sets that end up being sold by DSPIAE. You can pick these up at all hobby shops. 2 of these sets are foam and 2 of these are regular sandpapers. Now, these do end up coming in different sets. I do love these little containers. They hold the sandpapers perfectly well, and they do come with, I want to say, about 30 sheets of each, so it should last you a long time. But like I said, you can either get more just sandpaper blanks or other brands. Lots of companies end up making these, so they end up working just as well. They do have a peel-off backing. You've seen them, you've used them. This goes from 180 to 800. Then the other set goes from 1000 to 2500. On 2 sets that I didn't think that I would actually end up using that much, but I do. Again, same snap open containers, and you get 180 to 800, 1000 to 2500, and these are the foam back. So these just go onto the hard back, like the Cerberus or the multi-angle sander, things like that. Let me get one that I haven't peeled 80 of them out. I've been using these for wood. I've been using them for everything. So these actually come 6 per package in each slot, and they have different thickness of foams. So this is the 2500. You can see there's a thinner one, there's a medium, and then there's a super thick one. And these are super handy. I like using these wet. So I'll dip them in the water. These actually conform really well. They dry out well. They actually last a really long time. All their sandpapers seem to do really well. Some sandpapers, you'll end up using them, and after a couple times, like, they kind of lose theirs. So it'd go from, let's say, an 800 all the way to like 1000. And that's something to keep in mind. Like, as you use the sandpaper, it loses its sandy properties. So again, what was an 800 or a 600 over time will end up working its way up to 1000, a 1200. As it loses that grip, it actually becomes a finer type of sandpaper. So don't just, once it loses it, don't just throw it away. You know, you can use it for other things for a finer sanding. But again, you get your regular sandpapers that have a peel off backing, and then you have the foam ones. I actually love both of these equally. I use both of them equally, whether it's sanding on resin, whether it's working on plastic. And like I said, some of these I've actually been using on wood, and they work just fine. They nice and contour. These, they contour nice if you just decide to use them by themselves. They work perfectly on the handles and things like that. And again, I think these are about $9 each for each set. Depending on how much you're ending up using them. Yeah, I picked up all 4. And I think they were worth the money. Now, the regular sandpapers, they will probably last you for freaking ever. Should last you at least a year, maybe more. Depends on how much that you're ending up sanding. I do like just having all of them. I don't really get into that high of a grit on my stuff unless I'm really wanting a good finish on there. Like, I'm not planning on painting it, but I want a good, nice surface on there. I will end up using those. For the most part, I end up using about 280 to about 800, maybe 1000 on there, just to get a nice finish on there. But usually I'll stop about 800 before I end up priming. The sponge ones, awesome. It's great that there's different thicknesses as far as the sponges. I can't recommend these enough. You can pick them up, like I said, anywhere. Galactic, New Type, USA, Gundam Pros, Gundam Garage, or Mecha Garage. There's so many different shops, and you can pick them up at any of them. Just check your prices. Hell, I think these are even available on Amazon. I will try and post some links down below. I don't know on that. Do your Google foo and look it up. If you guys enjoyed this video and you want to see more, definitely hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys all in the next one. Senpai out. Peace.